Welcome to day 24 of DailyAIWizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to make bank with AI in finance? Today we're diving into AI's money-making magic, transforming trading and wealth. This journey will captivate you. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master financial AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore AI in finance. It's about outsmarting markets, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock wealth secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. AI in finance powers trading and fraud detection, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo predicting stock prices. It's going to be game-changing. Stick with us for this magic.
Ethan here. AI in finance is a goldmine, and I'm stoked to code a stock prediction demo with Sophia. Let's make money magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for AI's wealth power.
I'm Olivia, your new finance AI guru. I'll break down how AI transforms money on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you. Let's make financial magic. This is your wealth journey. Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, your finance AI expert. AI in finance enhances processes, powering trading and risk management with predictive models to improve wealth outcomes. It's transformative money magic. From algorithmic trading to fraud prevention, AI reshapes finance. I'm thrilled to break it down. Let's uncover its money-making secrets. This is your financial AI journey. Get ready to profit with AI.
Why use AI in finance? It delivers faster, accurate predictions, optimizes investment strategies, detects fraud instantly, and enhances efficiency. It's revolutionizing wealth. This is vital AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. AI builds fortunes. Isabella, why fraud detection?
It's critical, Anastasia. AI catching fraud saves money, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is finance with security.
AI in algorithmic trading is game-changing. It automates decisions, analyzes market patterns like in high-frequency trading, and maximizes profits. It's a financial superpower. I'm excited to break it down. This is wealth-building AI in action. Let's trade with precision. Isabella, why algorithmic trading?
It's fast, Anastasia. AI trades smarter than humans, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like a market wizard. This boosts profits.
AI in fraud detection saves billions. It identifies suspicious transactions using anomaly detection, like catching credit card fraud, protecting assets. This is secure financial magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's stop fraud. This safeguards wealth. Isabella, why fraud detection?
It's protective, Anastasia. AI guards our money, and I'm excited to learn. It's like a financial shield. This ensures safety.
AI in risk management is crucial. It assesses financial risks, predicts market volatility like loan default prediction, and minimizes losses. This is strategic AI magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's manage risks. This protects investments. Isabella, why risk management?
It's smart, Anastasia. AI keeps investments safe, and I'm thrilled. It's like a financial radar. This secures wealth.
AI in credit scoring is a game changer. It evaluates borrower reliability using diverse data, like alternative credit models, improving lending decisions. This is equitable financial magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's score credit. This empowers lending. Isabella, why credit scoring?
It's fair, Anastasia. AI makes lending inclusive, and I'm excited. It's like a trust gauge. This transforms finance.
AI in financial forecasting is powerful. It predicts market trends using time series models like stock price prediction, enhancing investment planning. This is predictive AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's forecast wealth. This guides investments. Isabella, why forecasting?
It's visionary, Anastasia. AI predicts markets accurately, and I'm thrilled. It's like a crystal ball. This grows wealth.
Finance AI faces ethical challenges. Bias in models, data privacy concerns, and discriminatory lending require ethical oversight. This ensures fair AI in finance. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's address these issues. This protects wealth equitably. Isabella, why bias concerns?
They're unfair, Anastasia. Biased AI harms borrowers, and I'm excited for solutions. It's like ensuring justice. This makes AI ethical.
Data privacy is finance AI's shield. It protects customer information with encryption and anonymization, like GDPR compliance, building trust. This is ethical financial magic. I'm so ready to discuss. Let's safeguard data. This respects clients. Isabella, why data privacy?
It's vital, Anastasia. Safe data builds confidence, and I'm thrilled. It's like a digital vault. This ensures trust in AI.
Bias in finance AI is serious. It causes unequal outcomes like loan approval bias, requiring diverse datasets and ethical mitigation. This ensures fair AI wealth. I'm so ready to solve it. Let's tackle bias. This promotes equity. Isabella, why bias risks?
They exclude people, Anastasia. Biased AI harms fairness, and I'm excited to fix it. It's like leveling the field. This makes AI just.
Regulations govern finance AI. They ensure fairness and transparency, like SEC oversight, building regulatory trust. This keeps AI financial magic safe. I'm thrilled to apply them. Let's regulate AI wisely. This protects markets. Isabella, why regulations?
They ensure trust, Anastasia. Regulations keep AI fair, and I'm excited. It's like a market rulebook. This builds confidence.